DJI is launching a new product on April 13, 2023, and it looks like we will see a new Inspire drone generation, maybe the Inspire 3? Leaks show that the sensor captures 8K and it looks like the body without lens costs $5,400, but more on the prices later. From DJI's announcement, we can clearly see that the Inspire 3 caters to professionals. On the one hand, high price tags got leaked. On the other hand, DJI takes us on a historical journey when aerial photography was done with hot air balloons, and when gimbals were fixed to helicopters, until multi-rotor drones brought down the price of aerial images. Part of this success is the Inspire 1 and the Inspire 2, which have revitalized the concept of aerial shooting, and which is mostly sold out in DJI's online store. So what's going to be the price of the new Inspire 3? This Chinese source could shed some light. The automatic translation is strangely confusing, but some details are in light. The Inspire 3 is available in two versions, an 8K version without a lens for $5,400 and a 6K version without a lens for $3,750. Both versions come with two batteries included. Additionally, the remote controller for the drone is priced at $1,499. Now it's getting interesting. It seems that the 24mm f2.8 standard wide-angle lens is priced at $1,349, while the 50mm f2.8 lens and the 85mm f2.8 lens are both priced at $1,944 each. DJI Care for the Inspire 3 body is priced at $374. The TB100 battery and charging hub are both priced at $224 each. A 480 grams SSD is available for $1,199, and a card reader is priced at $74. Finally, foldable props are available for $74 per pair. Well, it's definitely time for DJI to upgrade the Inspire 2, and we are curious what will come out on April 13th.